So here is our duct line. We call it our duct line 3. We have 2 power decoilers here. Coming in on entrance feed, we have a urethane drive. Then it goes through a series of leveling rollers and then a beading roller. The beading roller, you can raise it or lower it, and if you want or don't want the beads. After that, it comes through. We have 2 different notchers that can notch out for that. A shear at the end, and then the folding. We have a PLC controller that you can set the size that you want, the height and the width of your piece. You can make just an L, you can make the whole box. From there, you adjust in and out with this handle, depending whether you're feeding 5-foot coil like we have here. We have it set up for feeding a 5-foot piece. Then you can adjust it in and out. Now, we have a handheld remote controller, which is really handy. You're not tripping over cords, and you can stop the controller, system stop, and then of course controller start, system start, forward, back, and pause, and then cancel. So that's really handy for what you need, because you're not always going to be standing right here. You're going to be pulling off your ducts. We have the control panels under here, where you can see the electrics. This runs on 3-phase electric according to your configuration. Also, it takes about 40 gallons of hydraulic fluid in this panel, and it has an electric motor to drive and an electric motor also, obviously, for the hydraulic. So we're feeding some material in, and we're getting it set up. And so we will let you watch our inaugural event here. The first thing that you need to do is, as you feed it in, you need to determine the end length. And that's what you're going to start everything with. And you can see it feeding through. Stopping that. And we're going to set this up. I'm going to put in the size that you want. Obviously, this is not a training right now for your PLC, but it's a very simple to be able to actually do it. Turned on the hydraulics, so now you hear the hydraulics running. You just had a notching right there. That's the end notch. Takes place. We did a small bend right on the end through Pittsburgh. You fold right there, and now we fold, coming out with another notch. And this was an L panel, so they're just cut it off after that notch and remove the panel right there. And you have a beautiful looking panel, a notch on each end, and on this side for a very small, about a 1/4 inch bend for your Pittsburgh lock that you can snap that into. So that's how we use this. Taking it back now and resetting this.